You may have seen burger mix-ins at the grocery store, or you may have ordered one in a restaurant. We're going to show you today how to do your own burger mix-ins at home. Okay, so today we're going to do a bacon cheddar mix-in burger. And I want to impress upon you to use cold ingredients, all right? So I've got some high quality certified Angus beef ground chuck that's really cold because we don't want the fat to melt. That's why I want to keep all the ingredients on the cold side. I also have some cheddar cheese and some cold diced bacon. I sauteed some onions, I chilled them, and then I added some barbecue sauce, Worcestershire, and some spices. So that's what's in here. And then we're going to take our cold ground beef and we're going to add it to that. So that's going in, and we're going to put this beef in, and then we're going to put bacon and cheddar, and then we're going to hand mix this whole thing, okay? So fingertips are really important. You may often enjoy a burger where the bacon and cheddar act as toppings. Now we're presenting a different idea. The idea is that ingredients are folded into the ground beef. So you've got the bacon and cheddar burger in your hands, you take a bite, and you end up with a whole strip of bacon. That's why diced bacon mixed in is so good. Consistent in every bite. Ingredients are well blended and not overworked. It's time to form the patties. Again, working quickly, let's portion the mixture into 8 equal sized patties. To form burgers, notice how I work the sides to create a ridge on the outside, but at the same time I put a dent in the center with my thumbs. Okay, we then chill the patties while setting up our grill. Now we sear over a hot grill, so what's happening is the bacon and ground beef are cooking through and the cheese is melting. Flip when patties release easily from the grate and finish cooking to a safe internal temperature of 160 degrees. We've got our bacon cheddar mix in all built. Let's see how it looks. Check this out. Now you know how to enhance your burgers with mix-ins. Tell us in the comments what your favorite mix-in burgers are.